Welcome to our channel. If you want to permanently delete your Canvas account, follow these simple steps to request account removal. Step 1. Understand that Canvas accounts are typically managed by your educational institution, so you may need to contact them directly for account deletion. Step 2. Log in to your Canvas account by going to your institution's Canvas URL and entering your username and password. Step 3. Click on Account in the left sidebar menu, then select Settings to access your account configuration options. Step 4. Scroll down to look for account deletion or deactivation options. Note that these options may not be available if your institution controls account management. Step 5. If you're using a free Canvas account that you created yourself, you can contact Canvas support directly to request account deletion. Step 6. Send an email to Canvas support at help@instructure.com requesting permanent account deletion. Include your full name, email address, and Canvas user ID. Step 7. If you're a student, contact your school's IT department or Canvas administrator to request that your account be removed from their system. Step 8. Download any important course materials, assignments, or grades before requesting deletion, as you will lose access to all content permanently. Step 9. Wait for confirmation from either Canvas support or your institution that your account has been successfully deleted from their system. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.